A wet start to this Wednesday across most areas throughout the Tennessee Valley. Western side's a little bit drier, but still seeing a little bit of rainfall develop back behind the main area of rain that we are currently seeing right now. Jackson County seeing a lot of rainfall at the moment. Scottsboro, Stevenson, notice we're picking up on a little bit of lightning as well. This stretches all the way down to northwestern Coleman County, so Hartselle going to be seeing some rainfall. Albertville, Arab going to be seeing some rainfall south of Huntsville, so Owens Crossroads going to be seeing some rainfall here within the next couple of minutes as well. It's pretty gloomy outside, but you might notice we do see a few peaks of blue sky back behind the clouds. It's pretty much going to be the case throughout the rest of today, but it looks like we are expecting to see more clouds than sun, and of course we'll continue to track rain heading into this afternoon. 79 is the temperature right now in Florence, low 70s in Fayetteville because they have been seeing rain for the past few hours, so they've got rain-cooled air moving on in. 76 right now in Huntsville. We're 1 degree shy of 80 in Coleman. Albertville already at 81 degrees. Scottsboro is currently sitting at 76, but check out these dew points. Dew points are sitting in the mid 70s, so it is extremely muggy outside, and it's going to stay that way for the next couple of days across the area. Probably going to keep the higher moisture content levels heading into the afternoon, and of course heading into this upcoming weekend as well. So expect it to stay throughout the rest of this week and into the weekend. The mugginess will continue. So basically what that means is we've got higher humidity. It's what I like to call the air you can wear. Wind speeds are pretty calm across the area, 4 miles per hour right now in Florence, 5 in Huntsville. Seeing a little bit more wind associated with the rain on the eastern side. Scottsboro and Fort Payne seeing wind speeds right around 10 miles per hour. So heading into the next couple of hours, high temperatures today going to top out in the upper 80s for the afternoon because we are going to expect to see more rain. It's about a 60% chance for rain heading into the afternoon. So right around 3 o'clock when we get ready to head home from school, probably going to be rainy, and that's going to be the case heading into the 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock hour as well. It's about a 70% chance for rain and a few thunderstorms. Temperature is going to be hanging out in the low 80s by then, and of course temperature is going to continue to fall heading into tonight and into the early part of your Thursday. Notice by about midnight going to be sitting in the mid 70s, and we should be dry for that time of night. So the rest of this afternoon, scattered showers and thunderstorms will continue to develop, but once we get past probably about 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock tonight, things going to turn much drier for a good chunk of us. And then by early Tuesday morning, all of us should be dry across the Tennessee Valley. It looks like it will be a partly to mostly cloudy start to our Thursday. So tomorrow morning, the weather shouldn't be an issue, shouldn't be seeing rain on the roadways until we get to about the afternoon. So I would say lunchtime and beyond tomorrow, I expect to see another round of rain and scattered showers and thunderstorms. That will continue into the later afternoon hours, so 4 o'clock into the 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock hours, and then notice how it starts to trend more southward. That will continue into late Thursday night for our southern half of the Tennessee Valley, so Coleman County, Marshall County probably going to be seeing a little bit of rainfall heading into late Thursday night, but early Friday morning, we should start to dry out once again. So for the overnight tonight, temperature is going to be falling into the low 70s. We'll start to dry out once we get past around 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock tonight. And we should stay dry for the rest of tonight. Low temperatures all across going to be in the low 70s. Heading into tomorrow, we'll see high temperatures once again back in the low 90s. And I showed you that rain that moved through earlier on our Futurecast. Expect to see that heading into the afternoon as well. So high temperatures going to trend back above average heading into about this weekend, I would say. Friday, 93. That puts us right close to that average high temperature or average high for this time of the year. It's right around 92, 93 degrees in some locations. We're expected to see 94 heading into the weekend, mid 90s looking ahead to the very beginning of next week. So temperatures are going to get warm once again. Rain chances will start to decrease heading into the weekend as well. So we've got something to look forward to, some drier air. 40% chance of rain heading into tomorrow, 30 for Friday, and then it's only about a 10 heading into Saturday and Sunday. And then it looks like we will stay stationary at about a 20% chance for rain Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of next week. So Get through today, get through tomorrow, and get through Friday, and then it looks like we'll be seeing some sunshine heading into the weekend. So high temperatures today only expected to top out in the upper 80s. We'll be back in the low 90s for your Thursday and your Friday. Looking ahead into the weekend, expect to see mostly sunshine. We do have that 10% chance for rain, so maybe one or two. It's only going to be really a handful of areas that might see rain heading into this weekend. Majority of us are going to be staying dry for both days. And then looking ahead into the early part of next week, Monday and Tuesday, high temperatures still going to be staying in the low 90s. Rain chances will return to about a 20% chance for next Monday and Tuesday. By about this time next week, we'll be seeing once again the low 90s, about a 20% chance for rain heading into next Tuesday. Otherwise, we'll continue to see partly sunshine.